You clean your kitchen, you mop your floors, you wipe your tables, maybe even vacuum under the couch. You feel like everything is clean, or spotless even. But there's one small hidden place in your home that you probably haven't touched in years. It's dark, narrow, and easily forgotten. Yet ironically, it might be dirtier than your toilet seat, and you wouldn't even know it. Yes, I'm talking about the window tracks. It happened to me on a lazy Sunday afternoon. The kind of day where you just want to relax, maybe scroll through reels or catch up on a show. I went to open my bedroom window to let in some fresh air. It had just rained, and the breeze outside smelled clean and refreshing. You know that feeling, right? You breathe it in, and for a second, life feels peaceful. But the moment I slid the window open, I heard a crunch. Not a satisfying crunch like stepping on dry leaves. This was gross. I looked down, and what I saw shocked me. Layers of black dust, clumps of hair, dead bugs, some fully intact, some half decayed, mold even, hiding right there in the track, just inches away from my face, my hands, and my lungs. And then came the thought that made my stomach turn. I've never cleaned this, not once, in years. Let that sink in. We clean what we can see. We organize shelves, we sweep floors, but the window track, it's the perfect hiding place, a dark, moist gap filled with organic debris. It's an ideal breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and allergens. And here's the scary part. Every time you open that window, that dust gets released into the air, into your bedroom, into your lungs. Have you ever thought about that? I hadn't, and I consider myself a fairly clean person. That one disgusting realization sent me down a rabbit hole. I started researching, watching tutorials, reading cleaning blogs, even diving into forums where people share before and after photos of their window tracks. And honestly, I was shocked at how satisfying and emotionally powerful it felt to see people reclaim this ignored part of their homes. Because this isn't just about cleaning, it's about confronting the things we overlook. The dirt we pretend isn't there. The little messes that grow over time until they become uncomfortable truths. And if that's not symbolic of life itself, I don't know what is. So here's what I learned and what you can do today. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive products. You just need an old toothbrush, a butter knife or a popsicle stick, some white vinegar or dish soap, cotton swabs or a microfiber cloth, and a vacuum cleaner. This is optional, but helpful. Step 1. Start by vacuuming or brushing away any loose debris. You'll be surprised how much comes off in just a few seconds. It's oddly satisfying. Step 2. Mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap or vinegar. Dip the toothbrush into the solution and scrub along the tracks. Focus on the corners. Dirt loves corners. Step 3. Use cotton swabs to dig into those tight spaces. You can wrap a microfiber cloth around a butter knife to wipe along the edges. It's like dental floss for your window. Step 4. Finally, wipe everything dry. If you see mold, use a 1-to-1 mix of vinegar and water to disinfect. That stuff is not just gross, it can be harmful if left alone. After cleaning my window tracks for the first time, I felt lighter. Not just physically, but emotionally, because this wasn't just a cleaning task. It was closure. It was me facing something I'd ignored for far too long. And the results were immediate. The windows opened smoother, the room smelled fresher, and I felt proud. Isn't it strange how something so small, so hidden, can carry such emotional weight? How often do we do this in our lives? Ignore the small problems, the tight corners, until they become overwhelming. Cleaning your window tracks isn't just about hygiene, it's about awareness. It's about paying attention to the unnoticed corners, both in your home and in your life. Whether it's a relationship, your health, or your mental clutter, sometimes we need to pause, look closely, and say, okay, it's time to clean this up. Here's a pro tip most people miss. After cleaning, sprinkle a little baking soda in the tracks and leave it for a few hours before vacuuming it out. It helps deodorize and absorb any lingering moisture, especially in humid areas. So today, I challenge you, walk up to your window, take a deep breath, and look down. Look closely. If your tracks are anything like mine were, you'll see the truth. And once you do, you can't unsee it. But that's a good thing, because every time you take care of the little things, especially the things no one else sees. You're not just cleaning your home, you're cleaning your mind. You're choosing mindfulness, awareness, and responsibility. So go. Clean those tracks, reclaim your space, and don't forget to hit that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe for more stories that help you see your world a little differently. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical advice. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a free and supportive community of like-minded individuals. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care of yourself and your corners.